Ever wondered if your favorite digital bank, Lunar, is available in Sweden? Lunar, the innovative fintech company, has been making waves in the financial industry. Known for its sleek design, user-friendly interface, and a range of financial products, Lunar has captured the hearts of many. But is this digital banking sensation available to Swedish consumers? Diving into the details. To answer this question, we need to delve into Lunar's current market presence. While Lunar has been expanding rapidly across various European markets, its specific availability in Sweden is a topic of interest for many potential users. The current landscape. As of current date, Lunar's primary markets include list of countries. While Sweden is a tech-savvy nation with a high adoption rate for digital services, it's crucial to check Lunar's official website or app for the most up-to-date information on their market expansion plans. Why the interest in Sweden? Sweden has a strong digital infrastructure and a population that is increasingly embracing digital solutions, particularly in the financial sector. This makes it a potentially lucrative market for digital banks like Lunar. The benefits of digital banking. Before we conclude, let's briefly discuss the advantages of digital banking, which Lunar offers. Convenience, 24/7 access to your finances from anywhere. Security, advanced security measures to protect your funds. Efficiency, faster transactions and streamlined processes. Personalized services, tailored financial solutions to meet your needs. Transparency, clear and concise fee structures. While Lunar's presence in Sweden is currently uncertain, the potential benefits of digital banking are undeniable. As the fintech industry continues to evolve, we can expect more exciting developments and increased accessibility of innovative financial services like Lunar. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.